Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. We are approaching here our destination, Klamath Falls, Oregon.
Depth 2265. I'm showing a line of moderate to severe precipitation, approximately 30 to 40 miles ahead of you, starting at about your 11 o'clock over to about your 3 o'clock.
Yeah, we're on the top of it at the moment, but we'll let you know if we need a deviation. Delta 2265.
So this airliner is
perfect.
on top.
And can you give me an update on those
the
tops?
weather
Can you estimate what they are?
But the top here are
Yeah,
reported
currently
to be
the tops are probably
35.
down at 34, 35. There are some little higher tops coming up at about 20 miles or so, and those will probably be at our flight level.
Delta 2265, perfect, thank you.
Yeah, 35 to 40,000
Stephanie,
feet
no,
from the
Claire
top.
United, 1093, climbing 14.7 flight level 230
So we
on
are
the correct.
directing here to the left. And
United
I can
1093,
see from
open
that
the center,
earlier,
climb and maintain flight level
I need to get
360.
a few more degrees
Flight level
deviation
360, United 1093.
to stay well clear of this big thunderstorm here to our right. So we'll see what's behind this, but it looks like it should be okay behind it. So if it is clear, we can turn back to our destination and let ATC know about it.
November 344 Papa Victor, just on that area of moderate to severe precipitation of about your 12 to 2 o'clock, approximately 30 miles ahead of you. And descend pilot's discretion, maintain flight level 240.
Papa Victor, yes, we have visual on the cell and we'll be descending to 240. Can we wait like 5 minutes?
And November 4 Papa Victor, I copied that you saw the cell, but you broke up after that in your transmission. Say again?
Yes, we still have visual on the cell, but I would like to wait 5 minutes before starting my descent.
No problem. 4 Papa Victor, descend pilot's discretion, so whenever you're ready, pilot's discretion, flight level 240.
Flight level 240 at pilot discretion for Papa Victor.
So yeah, I want to see what's behind it. Because obviously if I get in the clouds here below me, I will lose visual because I think those clouds here are pretty high.
Keys Tower, dispatching Tango 2110, special weather observation, wind 31017, visibly 10, 9,500 scattered, ceiling 12,000 broken, temperature 19
United 194, are you okay on this route, or do you think you're going to need a deviation at all?
Distant west.
We'd like to get up to 15
Expect
left
ILS,
for
runway
United 195.
approaching you, Snowdums, runway 725.
United 194, you're clear to deviate, left or right as necessary and unable to see direct Spokane.
Seattle, good afternoon, Vision Jet 3 for Papa Victor. We are descending flight level 240 and we are still on the deviation.
344 Papa Victor, Seattle Center Walk. I'll show you around the moderate heavy stream precipitation. So let me know when you're able to go direct to the plane.
We'll let you know for Papa Victor.
Yeah, we are at 27,000 feet.
How close are we to Mount Hood? Is it Mount Hood?
Oh, the mountain area. Mount Shasta is 14,000 feet.
Or
So
Mount Shasta, that's
Mount
what.
Shasta's right here.
But how close are we, was my question.
Like,
to Mount Shasta, it's probably just below the cloud here, that cloud here.
Oh, we're way higher than it, right?
Oh yeah.
That is a
still a huge mountain.
big cloud.
Remember that big cloud we saw in France? That huge cloud? That?
Yeah, I remember that.
Seattle, Vision for Papa Victor, we can do direct Klamath now.
4 Papa Victor, roger. And let me know when you have the weather or the correction, the ATIS and type of approach you're going to be looking for in the Klamath Falls.
So yeah, we have Tango and we would like the RNAV suite to approach for Papa Victor.
Just to verify that was 4 Papa Victor. You're looking, you got Tango and you're looking for the RNAV 32?
Affirmative, sir.
Roger. Expect lower here in a minute. You can expect the approaches all maintained for level 240.
Maintain 240 and expect RNAV suite to for Papa Victor. Seattle Center, Visual Papa Victor, could you give me direct zoom, if able? Direct zoom.
And for Papa Victor, how about direct to Murex, and then you can go direct to Zoomy. That'll get you set up easier on the approach here.
All right, direct Murex for Papa Victor, thank you.
Just to make it official, for Papa Victor, direct Murex, expect the approach starting from there for our nav runway 36.
Direct Murex for Papa Victor, and there is a slight chance we might have to deviate, but we'll let you know. And the center, Visual Papa Victor, would like to deviate 20 degrees right.
For Papa Victor, approved as requested, and go direct to Murex on A15.
Okay, 20, deviating to the right, and we'll call you back when we can do straight in.
Yeah, look, Thunderstorm here. 1 here.
Sierra with you 24.85.
Yep. 1 UG, 1 UG, 1 here.
It's like we lost Mount Shasta.
75 Sierra, got your check on here at 2485. Thanks very much. For Papa Victor, amend now to maintain 17,000.
17,000 for Papa Victor.
For Papa Victor, change to mind frequency 127.6.
127.6 for Papa Victor.
127.6. 127.6.
And center, Vision for Papa Victor is with you.
For Papa Victor, thank you very much. You can set and maintain 16,000.
16,000 for Papa Victor.
Okay, so approach briefing, we'll fly the RNAV 32 approach to the minimum, which is
it's raining right above the airport.
387 feet, the minimum, which is there. Visibility half a mile. If we have any, if we have to go miss.
Vertical track.
8600. Climb. Direct U-push, direct fix-up, direct laser, and hold. Okay, 16,000 feet, and we are 12 miles from Murex. Let's watch for ice, Gebusa. So we did brief the approach, you'll see there's protection, lights, landing lights, and next will be the flaps.
A little bit of ice. Pretty sure.
So I'm going to slow down. So basically we have to slow down to 150. You see VO, which is the speed we want to be in moderate or heavy turbulence. We want to be at 150. We're still at 16,000 feet. I'm surprised he has not asked us to descend more here. Okay, so we are still pretty high here.
Ask him.
Center, Visual 3 for Papa Victor, we are still at 16,000. Let us know when we can descend.
There's still some ice on the wings, by the way.
I said.
For Papa Victor, that's November 344 Papa Victor, trying to land at Klamath Falls. If you can have them come up on this frequency, or if you can relay to them, tell them ATC clears for the approach into Klamath Falls, RNAV 32.
Center, for Papa Victor, I'm with you, 16,000 feet.
Alright, 5594, disregard that. 344 Papa Victor, thank you very much. Make a right 360 and descend and maintain 10,000 to help you set up for the approach here.
Right 360.
Right 360 and descending 10,000 for Papa Victor.
I forgot to switch the radio.
Thank you anyway for the help. You can contact us on center 134.907.
You think he was trying to call you?
Alright, 134.907 is good.
10,000.
You still have the icers on, right?
10,000.
Okay.
And vertical speed. Yeah, because now I'm too high. So that's why he said to do a 360. Okay.
For Papa Victor, you're making your right 360 here. If you just want me to vector you around here, you're going to be able to make a turn back onto the approach.
Yes, that should be fine. Descending to 10,000, doing a right 360 for Papa Victor.
For Papa Victor, advise when you're established on the approach between Murex and Zoomy there.
We'll advise as soon as I'm established for Papa Victor.
Yeah, you see, I must have been distracted because the frequency was ready, but I had not switched it.
For Papa Victor, cross Zoomy at or above 8,600, you clear for the approach into Klamath Falls.
Cross zoom at above 8600, clear for the RNAV 3 to approach Klamath for all 43 for Papa Victor.
So 8600. Okay. And I'm going to activate the approach.
4 Papa Victor, contact Kingsley Tower on 118.45.
118.45 for Papa Victor. Tower, Vision 3 for Papa Victor. We are about 13 miles on the GPS 32 approach.
Where's the airport?
Yeah, I don't know why he gave me this frequency.
Shuttle Center, Weather Advisory 203, Val.
This is not the frequency for tower.
On Pendleton, BKE, Lakeview, Rose Valley.
Yeah, now I'm way too high.
Available on flight 33 speed. Thunderstorm.
Center, Vision for Papa Victor, Kingsley Tower. Are you sure about the frequency?
Yeah, it should be 133.97, my mistake.
132.97, you said?
133.97.
133.97, thank you, for Papa Victor.
Okay, I put the gear down to catch back the glide slope.
November 344 Papa Victor, Kingsley Tower, runway 32, wind 2407, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 32, for Papa Victor.
So,
Roger, and November 4 Papa Victor, the new ATIS is uniform, landing runway 32, wind 2306, and weather is better than 5005.
Papa Victor, roger.
So, there is just a little bit of rain here, you see, above us, but over there it's clear. But we still have to be careful for the wind. It's just saying to watch for wind, and we got 10 knots of wind shear here. Alright, so I'm still on autopilot, and the minimum is 4387, so I'm going to go manual now.
500.
Well, I might be wrong.
Wind 2406.
But I don't think we're dead on
thank you.
November 4 Papa Victor, you can continue straight ahead, turn left to Echo, which is your second left, and taxi to parking, monitor ground point 9 at park today.
To Echo, to Century, and with you, and with ground for Papa Victor.
So what you saw is that the plane prevented me to set flaps to 200%.
200%?
To 100%, yes. Because it thought we were still in ice, so that's why I had to reset the ice, flag. Because when you're landing with icy weather, you cannot land with more than 50% of flaps.
Looks like they have not received their F-35 jet planes yet. So this airport is a civilian airport, a military airport, and they have fire planes.
Hope you guys enjoyed this flight, and see you guys next time.